Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and to the second process video, so you only have 10 minutes for the October 2020 sheetload of cards. To recap, here's the sketch, the cutting guide, and when we left off, I had gone ahead and put the first 5 1/4 by 4 mat on. And I also matted the second piece that's going to go on the front like this. And then I'm going to stamp Believe in the Magic of Christmas on the front, down here in black. And then I'm going to add either a chipboard accent piece or a piece of ephemera. All right, let's get started. Okay, let's start our clock. Okay, 10 minutes on the clock. Okay, that one's done. Luckily, I pulled out another one. I get these in a box of like 5. And I always keep 2 of something on my desk. When I'm shooting a video, that is not the time to be floundering around too much. Okay, so here's these. Now we're going to stamp them. If I can find a decent small acrylic block. I don't want a huge one, for sure. There we go. Here we go. Yep. I want to make sure it's even. I don't want to mess up. Of course, you know how that goes. The more you try not to mess up, you mess up. Okay, where is my VersaFine Onyx Black? Always gives a nice, crisp image. Let me secure that down. There we go. There we go. And it fills it up. Oops. Well, a little crooked. Oops, sorry, I'm out of frame. That doesn't help, does it? All right. Sorry about the interruption. I got a phone call and I should have put it on airplane mode. But anyway, I I went ahead and stamped another one before I forgot to turn the camera on. So we got one more. Oh, and I didn't turn off the timer either. Okay, so instead of, let's just add another minute on there. So it says 3:40, 3:38, so let's 4:38. I'm going to give myself another minute. Okay. So we're going to put these on. Right in the middle there. Very cute card, easy to put together. How about that? This green I'm using is garden green, and I also have the garden green ink. I'll be using that to decorate the inside. And I did not cut down the centerpiece to go on the smaller cards. I didn't think it was going to make that much difference. Progress, not perfection. Okay, last but not least. Okay. The clock says a minute. These don't really need anything, do they? But I want to probably put something in the middle of the buffalo check. Okay, so I'm giving myself another minute because of the phone call. Okay, let's set a minute. Whoops. Reset. 1 minute. Okay. We must have a minute to decorate. So let's... I don't even know if this is going to fit. That looks pretty cute. Oh, there's my kitty cat. There's my kitty cat. Look. Yep. up in Mama's lap. Okay, chipboard sticker. Oh, chipboard accents, but apparently they're going to need to be attached. They're not sticky. Interesting. Well, boy, that was fast. Okay. Well, okay. We got everything attached, and I decided that I'm just going to decorate the ones with the buffalo check. So let's get them out. So there's the first one, and then I'm going to decorate the inside. Okay, so I'm going to be doing one more so we can get the decorating done. But the basic card, just the card front has been made. Nothing on the inside yet. And so I'll be happy for you to join me for one more segment of So You Only Have 10 Minutes. Bye-bye.